Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and today we are down at the Baldwin Bridge boat launch in Old Saybrook, Connecticut. We're going to maybe head south out to the ocean, but we're definitely going to head north and check out parts of the river. This is probably the most popular boat ramp in the state. All kinds of boats launch from here. Jet skis, wave runners, fishing boats, cigarette boats, race boats. Everybody uses this ramp. The police really patrol this area a lot. They have a dedicated marine patrol that's out here almost every day, and they just want everyone to be safe. So if you do ever come here, make sure you have all the required equipment that you need to have, because they will inspect it and make sure you have it. This area is a no-wake zone, and the first area we can go fast is about 3/4 of a mile or 10 minutes away.
Watch me go, go, never slow, slow, make 'em whoa, whoa. Watch me go, 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 watch me go, go, never slow, slow, make 'em whoa, whoa. Watch me go, go, go.
On our right is the exclusive Saybrook Inn and Harbor Resort. We have never been able to stay there, but we have walked through to see what it's like. As we made our way downstream, we passed the Saybrook Inner Lighthouse, but our real goal was to get to the outer lighthouse, which is right at the mouth of the river where it enters into the ocean. The waves were really big, and Nancy and I didn't want to get wet because the water was chilly, so we just stayed behind, but Matt went out and played in them for a while.
Waves are huge!
Yeah?
Yeah,
How big?
like 14.
They're supposed to be. After taking some photos of the outer lighthouse and letting Matt play around for a while, we decided to head back upriver, and we took some pictures of the inner lighthouse and then made our way up to the town of Middletown. After driving about 30 miles up to Middletown, we decided to turn around and head back home. Middletown has a no-wake zone that's several miles long and takes over a half hour to get through, so it's not worth going there if you just want to simply turn around and come back in a few minutes anyway. As it is, there's a bunch of no-wake zones that you have to slow down for, such as this one through the historic town of Essex. As we approached the Baldwin Bridge, little did we know that this would be our last time out on the water this season. Unfortunately, the autumn weather here in the northeast United States wasn't good for boating this year. The days are usually warm and sunny, and the colorful trees make boating spectacular this time of year. Unfortunately, most weekends were cold and rainy, but looking back, this was an amazing year that we had. We got to go out over 30 times and discovered some amazing places, from Lake George in New York to the Thousand Islands in Canada and the upper United States. We had some fun trips after work on the Connecticut River, and then got to explore the Thimble Islands in Branford. Overall, I'm really sad that the season has ended, but I look back and I'm just so thankful and happy for the beautiful and fun times that we had. And I just want to thank you all for sharing them with us and enjoying the places that we've gone and giving me insights into how to make better videos and enjoying the experience together. Thank you all and have a great new year.